Hi everyone, today I will show you how to decorate a chocolate cake and how to use petal nozzle for making flowers on your cake without even using flower nail. So let's get started. So let's start with the chocolate sponge. The flavor of this cake is double chocolate cake. So place one slice of the chocolate sponge on the board and I'm going to soak it nicely using sugar syrup. I will also be using chocolate mousse as my frosting, but I will also be drizzling some chocolate icing on top of the slice to make this cake extra chocolatey. That is the reason it is called as double chocolate cake. You have chocolate mousse as well and you are using chocolate icing as well. After this, let us spread a generous layer of chocolate mousse and then we are going to repeat the process. By the way, if you are new to my channel, well, hello there. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on my delicious creations. By the way, this chocolate mousse is generally made using gelatin or agar-agar as a setting agent, but the one I am using over here is a simple mixture of whipped cream and chocolate ganache. The recipe contains just two ingredients. Now after you crumb coat this cake beautifully, then comes the fun part, decorating this cake, for which I will be using my petal nozzle. Using petal nozzle for your cake decorations, it is a game changer for creating beautiful designs on your cake. And let me also show you how to use petal nozzle for making chocolate flowers on your cake without even using any flower nail. Today I will be making gorgeous 5 petals flower cake. So watch closely. Traditionally people use flower nail to make the cream flower on the cake, right? Today I will show you how to make this flower without using it. So for this, what you need to do is grab any nozzle slightly big in size and fill it with the base frosting. Now just apply a bit of cream and start making the petal one by one starting from the center. Keep rotating the flower. Keep rotating the nozzle. After this, take your scissor, carefully pick up the flower and place it on the cake. It is that simple. Ensure that the petals are exactly 5 because it looks so pretty with just 5 petals. Now after all these flowers are done, you will be mesmerized with the look of this overall cake and with the flavor as well. And this is called as a sellable product. Imagine being able to create beautiful cakes like this and selling them from the comfort of your home. Because it is all about turning your passion into profit, because it is not just about making delicious cakes, but it is also about creating a beautiful looking sellable product and showing it to your target customers as well. Those home bakers who cannot make such unique cakes will be left behind or they will not be able to stand out in this competitive baking market. Your customers will choose other home bakers over you or they will ask you for free cakes if the cake is not tasty or good looking enough. So my suggestion would be to focus on getting your cakes and decorations right. And if you are really committed, then consider joining a mentorship baking program like my Super Baker program to achieve this success faster in your home bakery. Because starting a home bakery can be a game changer for your passion and your bank account as well. Whether it's for extra income, a side hustle or a full-time job, the possibilities are just endless. So that's our unique cake. Guys, I hope you have understood how to use petal nozzle for making flowers on your cake without using flower nail. Comment more in the comment box if you want to see more such cake decoration ideas on my channel. And if you have enjoyed this tutorial and want more such tips on home baking and entrepreneurship, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Join our community of baking enthusiasts and turn your kitchen into a profitable home business. Until next time, happy baking.